I get asked more and more often about the bidet seat toilets, and so now we have an opportunity to have a quick look at one of these models. This is American Standard DXV, which is not the very high end, but really nice one. So it pretty much fits on a regular toilet, has a feed of water which is connected to the same outlet as the flushing mechanism, but it needs dedicated GFC plug and on its own circuit usually, and otherwise, yeah, so it works like a regular seat, but there's a lot of stuff hidden in this thing. So if you are shopping for one, make sure the shape of the seat fits the shape of the bowel. And this one comes with the remote control, which we mounted on the wall, and it has a lot of function. Again, it's not the very high end, which has even more functions, but you can adjust the temperature of the cleaning water, temperature of the seat, so the seat is heated. It dries, it has a fan, it has circulation. The authorization comes with this book. So again, I've seen thicker manuals just for that, and so it's more and more popular option, and a lot more people are asking for it. So I asked this is installed for a couple of weeks now, and I asked my homeowner what is her experience with that, and she said it's awesome. So apparently it must do the job real well. So if you are considering one, this is how it works. Thank you for watching.